everybody. Today's a survivor guide. And we're doing my main noob. So I thought that I would start off with him. It's the easiest survivalist in my opinion. I'm going to break down tips and tricks, what not to do with Slight Skin, which is this. First, we're going to introduce the abilities. Bloxy Cola. You pull out a Bloxy Cola and drink it. Gain speed 1 for 10 seconds. Do note that find a Bloxy Cola on the ground and drink it. It will reset the timer or add the timer. And just wait for that to fill back up. We have Slight Skin. You pull out Slight Skin and drink it. And 6 seconds. You slow, but you're also immortal. And then let's just let the thing fill back up. Ghost Burger. You get Ghost Burger, making you invisible. Like, it's so invisible and undetectable. If you time it right, you can lead Blood Hunt, Unstable Eye, and I don't know if it would work against Raging Pace, but it might. So that's pretty much it. So what I drink? The cut. So now all my things are back. If you drink Slight Skin and try a Bloxy Cola, nothing will happen except for a little sad sound. Also, after Slight Skin, you do get speed 2 for like a second. But also, if you drink a Slight Skin potion and a Bloxy Cola, you'll actually get the actual noob achievement. It doesn't give you everything except proving that you're a noob, which I got on purpose. So, yeah. Ghost Burger time, and bye.